All right, so assuming that you already saw the title and the thumbnail, you already know what we're doing. So let's get right into it. The grill setup, very familiar. Same thing we do most of the time. It's called the menu method. Let's get it set up.
It's not what you think it is.
Elevator.
Far past the desire to be relevant. It's wrong for that now. But it's like every time I try to leave, I end up suffocating. So every now and then, I just need to breathe. My intention's not the result of violence. In that regard, I speak only if it improves the silence. And I can only wish I had nothing but positive things to say to encourage and lift my brothers up. Looking your enemies in the face is hard. While cracking a smile, these knockers trying my patience, Lord. My chest out back straight, show the world I'm fearless. But sometimes I let this world put me out of my spirit. Often feel as if I handle issues the wrong way. Tell me, what do you really own if not your own way? Right, nothing, otherwise you still a fraud. I'm at my realest when I'm a slave to the will of God. I try to let this game go, somehow I'm still involved. I liken this to a wanted rapper that's still at large. All this rejection, the political oppression, the lies, hatred, and envy's against me, and I can feel it all. Almost forgot to mention I'm a Christian rapper. I put that title ahead of rapper as if it matters. Man, I'm just trying to stay consistent. Cause what's the point of you spitting if you don't make a difference? Why even waste my time, Lord, they ain't listening. And wasting my money on all supplies to paint a picture that apparently nobody ever sees. But this music is my life and I'm just doing this to breathe, for real.
Let myself suffer, got a little raise. Release is guaranteed. Better breathe. Trouble can make you feel like you wanna get away, don't wanna deal. Not a want but a need. Better breathe.
Broke up with my ex last year. You couldn't tell me the world was not ending that year. I spare you the details, homie, know my heart. Always believed we would grow, but somehow we grew apart. No love lost, most of these women got nothing for me. I would explain, but the subject's a little touchy for me. Safe to assume my heart is made tougher. That's the last time they'll ever see me suffer. And still I love her, and all the other ones that couldn't make it last with me. I'm moving forward, but I ain't taking my past with me. Still got the audacity to love another, though that same time last year I almost lost my mother. Bad times hit me hard, I had to cope with them. I put it off, I was looking after a stroke victim. Man, she had a seizure a couple months later. I couldn't focus on healing, I had to come and save her. Me and my brothers and my sister had to come together. I hope they know she the reason we will be one forever. For real, until the Lord come and get us all. Now I'm back to attacking matters I need to get resolved. It was time I asked the Lord to hear my broken heart.
That's it, baby. We're gonna run this for a couple of hours. I'm gonna come out in an hour and check on it. I'm not gonna open that lid before then though. But about 2 hours at the current temperature that I'm running at, which is right between 225 and 230. So we just let it roll smoke. So I think it's been about an hour, guys, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what we're doing here. See what things are looking like. Ooh, we must be running very low. Don't see much change in color there. But we're approaching 100 internal. We're looking for 165, so we're making progress. I want this to be nice and moist and very smoky, so I'm not going to change this temperature. I'm not going to jack up the temperature at all. I'm just going to leave it right there, and we're just going to keep rolling nice and slow. Time to pull this baby off, ladies and gentlemen.